Hey everybody out there in the YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. Well, wastelanders, Blitz and I are walking in 1.5 miles before the actual trailhead because the mountains have reclaimed the road. A couple of washouts we have to go through before we actually get to the Little Spar trailhead. It's gonna be an exciting trip going into the Scotchman Peaks area. Blitz and I made it to the Little Spar Lake trailhead, and I think what we're gonna do, I brought enough food with us, I think we're gonna do a 2-nighter. I think we're just gonna set up camp here tonight and then tomorrow walk in to the lake, because it rained pretty good as we were coming in, and I just don't want to go through the wet brush and stuff. So gonna drop pack and scout the area and see what we can find for a campsite. Got our camp set up, got a little fire going, and it's 9:50 p.m. so it's about time to rack out, go to bed, and pretty sure we'll have Little Spar Lake to ourselves tomorrow. Ain't nobody coming in here. Nobody's gonna want to walk an extra 1.5 miles. All right, see you in the morning.
Well, good morning. Morning day 2.
It's only been 3 years, 8 months, 9 days, but who's counting?
Fuck's sake.
We are officially on the Little Spar Lake trail. Gonna go in and assess the damage. It's been a few years since Trav and I have been out on trail. Looking forward to getting back out with this guy again. We just hit our first blowdown, and I am hoping that this isn't what lies in store for us. It wasn't bad, it was manageable, but blowdown is never any fun. Okay.
Okay.
Well, after a 4.85, somewhat of a little more arduous than I thought it was going to be trip, we made it to the lake. It's freaking awesome. We got camp set up, and I need to get hydrated. Starting to feel a little crampy and a little woozy. But it's a beautiful lake. Yep, a beautiful. Just kicking back in the hammock for about 20 minutes. Gonna take a nap. I think I overexerted myself a little bit. Went and threw up. That's a first. But I just need to lay down. This hike was not even supposed to be that hard, I didn't think. But for some reason, just couldn't catch a rhythm. Kept running out of breath. And then I started kind of cramping a little bit. My hamstrings didn't fully cramp, but I could tell it was close. And I don't know if this is doing the keto thing or what, but just feel destroyed. But I think a 20-minute nap will recharge my batteries here.
It's going to take sound effects. And there's some people who call that overdone.
Not bad. But since Travis is here, we should take a bite and then give his honest reaction. There you go, Trav.
Forget about it.
Good?
That is excellent.
Well then, good morning from Little Spar Lake, day number 2. Well, I can say this, that steak hit the spot. I feel much better today. Slept really good last night, and today, just got up, made my coffee.
That's damn good coffee.
Ate my avocado. Had a piece of cheese. Got my bedroll packed. Now it's time to head back to civilization and possibly grab a burger somewhere.
So I'm going to show you how to fold your Nemo pillow into its convenient handy dandy stuff sack. Pretty simple. Fold it like a taco, just like that. Then the tricky part, you're just gonna take and kind of fold it over, just like so. Now, you're gonna put your hand in the stuff sack, kind of like a poop bag, if you ever picked up your doggy's poop. And you're just gonna come like so. Like so. I did this yesterday.
You're making it look really easy.
There you go. 1 hour later.
1 hour later.
Woo! Okay, it's simple, pretty easy, just like that. Fits in its own little stuff sack. And there is your